Meaning of heifer.
heifer,
Heifer.
heifer,
Heifer. A heifer is a young female cow that has not yet had a calf. The word heifer is typically used to describe cows that are between 1 and 2 years old. These animals are still growing and developing, and they have not yet reached maturity. Heifers are typically raised for their meat and milk and are an important part of the agricultural industry. Because they have not yet become pregnant, they are often considered to be more tender and flavorful than older cows, making them a popular choice for beef and dairy products.